We can produce very high-quality greeting cards, postcards and business cards direct from your print-ready PDF files. Perfect for card designs you have created using graphics applications such as Affinity Designer, Adobe Photoshop, Adobe Illustrator, or Canva. From the Products drop-down, choose Card from Finished Artwork. Scroll down and select a card size. Start by downloading the artwork guide for your chosen card size. Please set up your artwork at actual size at 300 dpi, and supply as a press-quality PDF. If you also require text on the inside of the card, then please supply as a single, 2-page PDF file, 1 page for the outside of the card, and 1 for the inside of the card. It would be helpful to give your card design that includes the card size and quantity, example sunny day 150 by 150, 15 off.pdf. When your PDF is ready, click on the Choose File button to upload your file. Now you are ready to choose a card finish, card quantity and optional extras like envelopes and sleeves. Click Order Greeting Cards when you are done. Click on Keep Shopping if you want to order more cards, or choose Proceed to checkout.